Hello, viewers, young lords, students. I am going to talk about the next modal auxiliary verbs, use of will and use of would. First, let me talk about the usage of will. Will is a common modal auxiliary verb. It is used in the following situations. Number one, will is used or implied to express futurity or future action, future activity with second person and third person pronouns. Example, you will go to Patna tomorrow. You will complete your task by evening today. He will help us. They will go to college tomorrow. Second use. Will is used to express firm determination, promise or threat with the first person pronoun. Example, I will come to you tomorrow. I will help you. I will perform my duties in the best possible way. We will complete our task by tomorrow. Third, will is used to invite people, express request and order. Example, you will accompany us. Will you come to tea? Will you help me? Will you do it anyway? You will do it anyway. You will complete your task anyway. Use number 4 to express likely conditional or possible conditional. This conditional has two clauses. One is principal clause and the other is subordinate clause. The principal clause appears in future indefinite or future simple tense, and subordinate clause is simple present tense. For instance, if you come to me, I say I will help you. If a storm comes, the hearts will be swept away. If you labor hard, you will pass the examination with good marks, with good grades. If you labor hard, you will get success. Use number 5. Will is used to express inevitability. Example, Accidents will happen. Child will be child. Boy will be boy. Crimes will happen. These are the important uses of will. Here it is imperative to point out that will is used with all the pronouns in place of shall in modern English, especially in USA. Now let me talk about the use of would. Would is also a very common modal auxiliary verb. It is used in the following situations, following conditions. Use number 1. To express a statement in indirect narration as the past tense form of will and shall. Example: he said that he will do the work immediately. She said that she would complete the work on time. Next is to express polite request and polite question. Example: would you please listen to me? Would you return the book by tomorrow? Would you come to me on tea? Third use, to express probability. Example: she would be her mother. He would be a real teacher. He would be a real saint. Use number 4, to express intense desire or will. Example: would that I were a child again. Would that I were a bird. I wish I would see her again. To express past habits. Mahatma Gandhi would spin every morning. She would go for a walk every morning. He would complete his project. To express firm resolve and determination. Example: I would do it whether you like it or not. He would have his own way. I would never surrender before him. To state willingness, choice, preference. Example: he said that he would help me. I would like to see her again. He would return. He would rather go than stay. He would stay here rather go. To express unreal conditions. If I were millionaire, I would open a charity school or charity hospital. If he had worked hard, he would have got grand success. If I had visited USA, I would have seen the White House where the President of US lives. These are the popular common uses of will and would. For details, see the description section. Thanks.